In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for the Puma affiliate program so you can promote Puma products and then make money when your audience or traffic buys them. So here I am on the Puma website. Now what we need to do is get to their affiliate page. Now sometimes we can scroll down to the bottom and you might see affiliates down here on some companies. On Puma though, it isn't actually there. So the easiest way is to just go to Google and just search for Puma affiliate program, and that should bring us straight to it, right? So here is the affiliate program for Puma. So we're going to go ahead and click on that, and it's going to take us to this window which explains a little bit more about the affiliate program and the benefits. You can read through that in your own time. I'm just going to go and join. So how to join? To join as a Puma affiliate partner, we need to go ahead and join through CJ Affiliate. Now CJ Affiliate is an affiliate network with thousands of companies who you can promote. So you want to go ahead and click here, Puma link to CJ Affiliate, and that will take us to the CJ Affiliate sign up page. If you don't have an account on CJ Affiliate already, you can sign up as a CJ Affiliate publisher. And all you need to do is enter in this information here and then verify your email, and then you should have an account. I already have an account, so I'm just going to log into mine now. So once you've created your account on CJ Affiliate and you've signed in, it should redirect you to Puma. And here you can see this is the official Puma, and we can promote this as an affiliate. And we can see more about the program here. You can see there's a 14-day cookie period. And the more sales that you generate, the higher commission that you get. And you want to generate here to US mostly, look. So what we can do now is we can apply to the program. Now you can see here, manual application review. So they're going to review your application and either approve you if you fit their criteria or deny you if they don't. Now, to make sure that you fit their criteria and have a better chance of getting approved, you want to fill out some details on your account. So if you go to account here in the top left hand corner and then go to network profile, you can then go ahead and add your website or social media and talk about your promotional methods, right? So in my network profile, I've put here that I have a YouTube tutorial channel with X amount of views coming from YouTube search. And I just talk about my YouTube channel, right? If you have a TikTok account, you want to explain what the TikTok account is. Maybe it's in fashion, maybe it's got the right audience. Whatever social media platform or website you have, you want to talk about it here. And also go to account and go to promotional properties. And in here, you want to make sure you've got your promotional property here added. So I've added my YouTube tutorial channel. To do that, you go to create property and just add a social media, website or YouTube channel. Once you've done all that, you can go back to home and you can apply for the Puma affiliate program. So the chances are if you go back home, you won't have the affiliate program still here. So just go to partners, find advertisers, and then make sure you're on all on the top left, and then you can just search for Puma again. So Puma US, and there you go. Now you can click apply to the program, and they're going to review your application, and there you go. If they approve you, you'll be able to promote Puma. I hope that video helps you out.